Yo guy, my guy, how you doing? Kama kawa kama dawa, it's Kev the analyst again, and today we are locked in. It's on Thursday and still looking on Nasdaq, okay? By the way, I had a great week away from the charts and I've been very busy on the farm, yeah. Harvested some potatoes, harvested some maize, planted some potatoes again, and now on a larger scale. So we expect some good harvest too. Actually, I had a good harvest, by the way. For those who are following me, they know that I wasn't posting last week because I was in the farm, and thanks to God and thanks to my ancestors for they did great. The harvest was great. So let's get back to this other side. Let's cultivate these other sides of the Propfirm, okay? So I was looking at Nasdaq today and it provided some good signals for me, and as I was anticipating for shorts during New York or after let's say around New York time, okay? I was anticipating for some shorts, and that's exactly what happened. My shorts were prolific. Yeah, that's the word. My short came to flourishing as I was anticipating for price to go up fast, then go down, okay? There was some news during 8:30 a.m. and I was waiting for those news to come out so that I can take a position against the news, okay? So I don't read the news. Actually, I wait till the news are out so that I know which side they are manipulating, so I can take the other side of the trade, okay? And that's exactly what happened. I got my 120 clean points of Nasdaq. I opened my normal position, no over averaging. I risked, let's say I took a risk of 1% and it returned, let's say 2%, yeah. So, and that's how I became a positive trader today, okay? I'm so happy. Oh, let me cool the engines. So let's go to the analysis of how I spotted the trade and how I saw the trade and how I utilized the opportunity, how I took the shots and how it materialized. Yeah, by the way, I learned a lot away from the charts and it's been good. I won't say much about it, and it was good being at the farm, less noise, less civilization. It was just a way of getting my mind right, speaking with my ancestors as usual. You can see myself, I speak with my ancestors a lot, and that's what keeps me afloat with this all bullshit going all around, okay? So let's get to the charts and see what the charts has for us and what made me took the sales that I took and how I managed the trade until I got out of the positions that I was in, okay? Yeah, so let's get to it. So as you can see, this is the setup before the analysis. During the analysis and before the price came to flourishing, and this is what I was anticipating for price to do, okay? So the first thing that I was anticipating for price to do, it was this. Actually, you can see this dotted red line here is the 8:30 a.m. period where there is news, and that's the time that you can see here, 8:30 a.m. high impact news for manipulation up. Yeah, I was looking for that news to push price upwards, then react off this red line here. This red line here is a 1 hour order block, and I was anticipating for price to give me something like this, then reverse to the downside, attack these lows first, take something off there, then attack something onto this middle of this consolidation, -2 standard deviation. That's sometimes when you have targets around that place, it's a good place to target. Then attack Tuesday's low, then down to -4 standard deviations. Okay, so those are the points that I was anticipating for price to come, and it actually did. Okay, so let's get to the charts and see what price did actually after the analysis. Okay, so let's get to it ASAP. So you can see how price unfolded. It did exactly as we anticipated. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes perhaps. Maybe you'll see with clarity there. Okay, so we have two lines here. I have the 9:30 line and then I have the 8:30 line. You can see, because those are two important times that I look for some, let's say, for some movement in price. During those times there's movement in price, 8:30 and 9:30 a.m. okay, so during 9:30 you can see price did exactly as we anticipated. You can see price started going upwards to that red line. Okay, and during the 8:30 high impact news, as I was anticipating, I was waiting for price to give me some type of maybe sell-offs, but after the news. Okay, and another thing that made me look for shorts here is because I anticipated that on Wednesday we've created the high of the week and we have a consolidation here. So once you look for AMD, we all understand how AMD operates. Okay, it's accumulation, manipulation, then distribution. Okay, so what I was doing is that I used this as accumulation, then Tuesday through Monday I anticipated for our manipulation. Then you can see a unicorn forming here and catching the shorts down again. So I entered my position around which point, let me show you, right at this order block here. Once this order block rejected price, I entered the positions and targeted this low here. So I took something off here. You can see this point is, let's say, 17,613. yeah, let's go up to that point. Yeah, you can see this is 17,613 here, right here. Yeah, 17,613 or 610. Then I dropped it up to, let's say, which point, which is the Wednesday low. It's right here, Wednesday low. So it is around 17,442. That's approximately, let's say, 120 points. And price gave some good price action today. Okay, I won't lie. So you can see today's PA at during 8:30, boom, price shot to the upside and it came back to this break around here. Okay, these two down close candles reacted off that area, then we had a sell off, bam 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 bam, you can see. Okay, and that's how I caught my 100 points in Nasdaq trading today. Okay, so it's a great thing and I'm glad we took this position. Okay, so my guys, so this is the dashboard on the funded account that we are working on, and you can look at the equity. We have our 5,120, and that's a 2% increase on our equity. And the daily losses, we haven't hit the limits. Trading days, you can see it's 11 days, and our max drawdown. So let's go on this graph. I'm very excited about this curve. You can see we were in drawdown, then we started coming off the drawdown gradually. Okay, and once we were out of the drawdown, we managed to have that steep up close on our curve. Okay, so you can see our win rate is at 56% right here, and it's a good start coming from the shags. Okay, so let's see the equity graph area here and see what we have. And here is it. Okay, we've took 27 trades so far. Okay, so in these 27 trades, not really all are my good trades. Some are, let's say, like trades where I test the waters. I test the waters a little bit before going inside with some small lots, and I guess they count those two. So we have 15 winners in total, 12 losers in total. Win rate at 55.6, lose rate at 44.4%. Okay, We have a total performance of 2.4%. Biggest winner is 119 USD and the biggest losser is 61.4 USD. Okay, so that's the performance for today. It's on January the 25th, the trade. Okay, so that's where we are right now, 2% up. Gradually we will get to the point, okay? We will get to the goal that we are aiming for. Okay, so let's keep at it, 10 toes down, the marathon, baby. Yeah, so that's our performance, and we came from shags with a bang. Okay, we are up 2% on this trading account, and gradually we're going to the goal. Okay, so we are left with, let's say like 3%. Yeah, 3% to get to our target. Yeah, 3% to go, so that we get this, not really 3 but 4%. Yeah, we're supposed to hit like 8%, if I'm not wrong. Let's confirm again. Yeah, where you at? Yeah, we are supposed to hit like, what is it? Yeah, 8%, which is 400 USD for this account. Okay, if you maneuver off this phase 1 and phase 2 and get funded, bro, you're out for good. So because we will still go, we will still be upgrading to higher and bigger accounts. Okay, we will all be live streaming here, we'll be showcasing it. Okay, so we're still in progress, we're still going for it. So I'm glad that you watched till here, and if you managed to watch till here and you'd like to see this journey, okay, and you'd love to see this type of journey, okay, from starting from below and going upwards to the sky. Okay, that's the aim. Okay, so if you are interested in these types of videos, make sure you leave a follow. Do they say that? Make sure you hit that follow button and subscribe. Okay, and make sure you also like this video, and also share with those people who are in this journey. Tell them, man, tell them it's a journey to being funded, and we are taking a step by step every day. We have a saying in Africa that says that safari ya mbio ndefu huanza na guu moja. So one step at a time, my guys, you get to that point. Okay, so until next time, it's Kev the Analyst. See you on the next.